not doing that again.
What just happened?
Hi guys, I'm doing a bike check today on this bike right here, and I want to apologize in advance for the audio. I don't have a lav mic. Sorry. So I'm gonna just go ahead and start. This right here is the FBM Gypsy V2 frame. I recommend it to all you guys out there. It's a great frame. It's durable, it's light, it feels awesome, and it's just a good frame, and you should buy it. Next, I'm gonna go to these bars right here. These are Primo Sam Squatches. They're 29 width. I don't know what height, but they're pretty nice. I like them. They feel great. You guys should use them. Next, we got these Deco grips right here. They are worn in, and I love them. Right here, we got the Primo Annihilator V1 stem. It's a pretty nice stem. I like the way, I just love it. I like it better than the V2, and it's a front load, obviously, so they also sell them in top loads, but you're gonna have to buy them used or buy the V2. Next up, we have the Primo Kamikaze V1 forks. These are a few years old, and they have lasted me extremely long time. I love them, but I'm planning on getting new ones soon, guys. Next up, we have the Alienation stock front wheel set and a fit tire. Alright, next guys, I'm gonna head over to my cranks. These are Profile Racing cranks, and I've had them a little longer than a year, and I recommend these to everyone. They're great cranks. They're light. I mean, you just can't beat them. They're great. Alright, right here is the Premium Slim pedals, and I don't know, they're a little pricey, but again, I've had these for 2.5 years, and they're just fantastic. You guys should get them. Next up, the Hoffman 28.2 sprocket. It's a decent sprocket. It's fat, and I haven't bent it yet, so that's good. All right, lastly-ish, we have an Odyssey G-Sport ratchet back wheel set that obviously says G-Spot on it. I like this back wheel a lot. Sounds great, it feels great, I love it. Lastly, we have the Animal Fatty seat. It's soft. I've had it for about a year. Again, I'm planning on changing it. So yeah. Alright guys, well, you should definitely buy this frame. Definitely check out these cranks. And thanks for watching, and subscribe.